Hi, my name is Nate Svoboda, and I'm a relationship partner at Amber Engine. We help businesses improve their online selling performance and ability to build strong, loyal customer relationships. Now, we found that many businesses have inefficient processes for managing their product data, the stuff that they actually make money with. And this is due in large part to the fact that traditional systems like ERP, while they're able to handle crucial information like inventory levels, pricing, dimensions of the product, they don't have the ability to maintain all of the data fields necessary to competitively market your product. And these are things like romantic descriptions, marketing information, images, videos, assets, like warranty and care instructions, assembly information. And this issue is exacerbated by the fact that channels are asking for more and more information about your product in order to offer more personalized suggestions to consumers. One example, a client that we work with, they sell clocks on Wayfair. Wayfair came back to them and asked them to supply their clock and material. The person who was asked that question did not know the answer, and they didn't even know where to go find the answer. So that was not a quick and easy job to be done. Now, I'm going to take a stab in the dark and assume that your business likely has someone going to the ERP in order to grab basic product info like dimensions or price, and then someone else, or maybe that same person, is going to Google Drive to grab all of those images, videos, assets, and then another person is compiling all of that information into a massive master data sheet in Excel that has multiple versions, and it's getting emailed between teams or between individuals, and then someone is taking that master data sheet and breaking it up into the different sheets for the channels that you want to engage with based on the templates that they have. And if something new is getting asked for, like in that example with Wayfair, not many people probably know where to go get that information in a timely manner. Now, why is this all an issue, right? Well, first of all, it takes exponentially longer to enter new channels, which is becoming more and more critical to capitalize on the massive e-commerce growth we've been seeing in the past year. It causes rework from duplicated efforts when your team's resources could have been focused on higher impact tasks, and it creates an inconsistency of your brand image across the channels that you sell into. That's where Amber Engine PIM comes into play. We've developed a cloud-based platform where you can not only store all of the information necessary to effectively market your product, but also a place for your teams to go collaborate on enriching and tailoring that information for whatever end destination it may need to go to. But enough chit chat, let's see how it works. So this is the master catalog screen. This is that master data sheet that your team has that's a record of all of the items that you sell. Now, there's a lot that the software can do, but in the interest of keeping this video a little bit brief, we're just going to run through the workflow of how someone would go quickly pull down a PDF cell sheet or tear sheet of certain aspects or pieces of product information in order to quickly export that out to, a supplier, a distributor, a channel, a customer, you name it. Obviously, there's a lot more this software can do. So please reach out and we can conduct a much more in-depth presentation and really contextualize what it is that the software can do for your business. So let's see. We want to go and pull some form of cell sheet or tear sheet about these items. So we're going to go into our settings. We're going to go to product cell sheet. And we've already built a demo one. I mean, we could create a new one, but just for the sake of brevity, we'll edit this. So you can see we've chosen that we want to include the product name, the country of manufacture, the marketing copy. Obviously you can see the rest. We get to determine what the order is of the items. We can change that around. So let's say, I don't want to save that, so we're going to cancel. So we want to go to just one of our items. We could select multiple items. We could select all items. Well, let's just select one for right now. So we're going to go up here. You see create product cell sheet. So this is that demo one that we just took a look at. And again, we can double check. These are all the attributes that we had chosen to be featured. So we're going to call this, today is the 12th of March. We'll download both. So now, while this is downloading those sheets, we can quickly just run through a little bit more within the settings, but ultimately, the value here is the ability to quickly get this information out to whoever you may need. I mean, your sales team probably is building these things manually in order to shoot them out to customers or prospective buyers. So if they have access to a software that enables to just quickly grab the information from one source of truth, it creates a much more consistent effort across the different partners that you're working with. So now we're going to go. So we have the My Jobs tab. We had exported. Awesome. So let's go ahead and download. It's going to be a zip file. Okay, so there's both of these. This is just a table view sheet of all the information. I mean, this is obviously valuable if you have a lot more items that you're going to show. This is going to be that much more in-depth listing. So this is that tear sheet again of just the one product, has the name, country of manufacturer, all of the features that we care about in one nicely formatted PDF that's going to be branded based on your organization. Now, again, this was just one minute use case for the software. I would absolutely love the opportunity to walk you through what this can do for your business and how it can enable your performance. But my name was Nate Svoboda. I hope this video brought you some value or sparked some questions, but please don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for your time.